Hello, how are you? I'm very happy to be here. Okay, remember, computational problems you can solve with the computational methodology. It has two parts, two phases, human phase and technical or computational phase. Human phase has three parts. Define the target, define the objective. Second, write an algorithm. And third, prove the algorithm reach the target or solve the problem. And the second phase, computational or technical phase, is very easy. First, you have to transform your algorithm in a program. You have to rewrite your algorithm. You wrote your algorithm, and now you have to rewrite the algorithm in the terms of a programming language. Okay? Yes? If you write something, you have to write again, but with the instructions of a programming language. This is the first step. Second step, when you have the program, we can speak now about an algorithm. Now, the algorithm was the first conception, the first solution. Now you have an algorithm transformed. It's called program. A program is an algorithm written in the terms of a programming language. Okay? Second step, you have to write this program in the computer. Third, you invite the computer to check the program. Probably it's good written, but probably not. So don't worry. This phase or this step is called compilation. Compilation in the programming language is the recognition of the syntaxes. Is the syntaxis checking? Syntaxis is okay? Well, what is the syntaxis? Syntaxis is like the semantic revision of a text. Okay? So it is very important the computer to check the syntaxis of your program. When the computer says everything is okay, you can execute your program. And this is the fourth step, execution. What is execution? It's to obtain the results with the computer. This is the execution. And the last one, the fifth step, is to check the results and compare with the first objective, the first target. They must match. If they don't, you probably lost the time. And what was the problem? If you see that results are very well, but they don't match with the target, they don't solve the problem. What is the problem? First, you didn't understand the target. Second, you didn't prove the algorithm very well. And third, this is a very special problem. When you transform your algorithm, when you rewrite your algorithm in a program, remember, the algorithm is written in your language. The program is written in a program language. This transformation, probably you incorporate some mistakes, little mistakes that change the logic of your program. So remember, as a summary, methodology to solve computational problems. Two phases, human phase, computational or technical phase. Human phase, define the target, write an algorithm, and prove the algorithm reach the target or solve the problem. Second phase, computational phase or technical phase. First, transcription. You transform your program, your algorithm in a program in the terms of a programming language. Second, you have to write to the computer. Third, compilation. You have to check the syntax, or the computer has to check the syntax. Fourth, execution of your program, that is, obtain your results. And fifth, check the results with the first target, or the first problem, or the first objective. This is a very simple methodology. So, are you prepared to begin exercises with logic of programming? This programming logic is very easy. Remember, probably somebody told you, hey, programming is very hard. This is not true. It's very easy. So the word is very variable. And the word you can describe with variables. Do you know what is a variable in the computational world? In the programming world? Okay. Next lesson.